Some shade, you're feeling pretty good, but in the bright sunshine, the afternoons have still been pretty warm for a lot of us. At least we're hanging on to that lower humidity. Gorgeous, almost completely clear blue skies. We're looking for a continuation of the dry and pleasant weekend weather all through the week, really. We do expect a slight warm up, temperatures nudging upward and getting a little more humid by Thursday, and then rain and a cold front look possible on Sunday or into Monday early next week. Models are not in great agreement just yet. Temperatures right now well into the 70s and even into the 80s. We were moving through the 70s all morning long after hitting our lows in the 50s and 60s. So that nice, almost fall-like kind of feel, not so much in the afternoons, but certainly in the mornings to get into the 50s north of the lake, starting off rather chilly. Temperatures this afternoon are expected near 85. This evening, we're dropping back through the 70s, should be very comfortable. And then tonight, we look very similar, maybe just a touch higher for temperatures than last night, 55 or so north of the lake, about 65 south. We have high pressure in place. This is going to be the main weather player for us through this week. Really not a lot of change coming, although there is some rain and a front parked out to the northwest of us. And then also this rain system, this low pressure off the coast of New England and the northeast, still today bringing gusty winds, cloud cover, temperatures in the 50s to about 60, and also, of course, some light rain still ongoing there. But by tomorrow, conditions should be improving with that coastal storm over the weekend there. Temperatures for us are just nudging upward, as I said, to about 87. It's nice, it's pretty comfy, but it is warm, and it is a good bit warmer than average for this point in the year when our average is 82. Now, by the weekend, we're expecting Friday and Saturday, maybe a slight chance for a stray shower, but more so Sunday. You can see our model. This is the European model, picking up on a few scattered showers and a few storms, and timing could change a bit. Yesterday, it had rain lingering into Monday. Today, it clears it out by Monday, so we'll know more as we get a little closer through the week this week and toward the weekend, but it does look like we may have some sort of system at the end of the weekend or early next week. We'll keep you updated there. Tropical storm Lorenzo formed. It's the 12th named storm of the season. That is exactly average for named storms. We're just a little below, but pretty close to average for the ACE, accumulated cyclone energy. And this one is forecast to stay way out here with a little weakness in the ridge of high pressure here, drawing it to the north very early in the game. I also wanted to talk about, we're kind of transitioning to fall slowly, but it is happening and the weather feeling different. You may notice also our skies are a lot more blue. They're kind of like a deeper blue as we get into fall and winter compared to the very pale skies in the summer. So why is that? Well, the sky appears blue because what we see in the light shining from the sun are shorter wavelengths. Those are those blue and purple ones, and actually there are more blue ones shining from the sun. So these wavelengths get scattered in all different directions, and the ones that reach us are the blue ones. So that's why we see the sky as blue. Interestingly, as we get into a drier season with less humidity, less water droplets in the air, the scattering is enhanced. So it makes the drier winter air translate into deeper blue skies. So that's why we see that blue wavelength, that shorter wavelength, sort of enhanced and more efficiently produced in the sky to give us that darker blue sky. 7-day forecast is showing our temperatures, lots of kind of warming afternoons, but our morning lows also going up a little bit. Probably 50 still, though, through Wednesday for North Shore spots, middle 60s south of the lake, and it turns a touch more humid. Dew point temperatures more like 60s. Starting Thursday as opposed to 50s, that nice dry feel we have going through the middle of the week. Keep your eye on that weekend forecast. We'll keep you updated with that rain chance Sunday.
With the Saints' loss to the Patriots